Hello, I'm back with Jurassic World Evolution. Right, so we're going to do another one of these. By the way, the two winners over here, I put them in a little cage together. I don't know if they're going to kill each other, but I'm not sure. Suppose so, yeah. I guess they will know. Number 5 and number 3, we're finally going to see who wins. No, they're giving up. Oh, that's fine. Right, so we got some, right, Deinonychus, I don't even know. But, yeah, let's do that. And I got 2 ranger teams this time, with up to 7 slots. So that should be good. It should be better than breaking out, because literally as soon as I got rid of that thing in the middle where the Sinos were, they weren't having it, so they went to go break fences and they were already smashed. Like, I looked on the map and it was all red. Just red spanners everywhere. But yeah, these guys do live in groups, so I'm gonna guess there's gonna be like 4 winners, 4 or 5, because they probably won't kill each other unless they have to. So it depends. Maybe if they didn't have any food, they would start killing each other. But I'm not sure. I don't know how they do it in the game, because I normally feed them, of course. I don't leave them to die. But yeah, let's just see what goes on, to be honest. Yeah, this should be fun. Is this fun now? Let's get rid of these ones. So many. It's just gonna be a little, like, dinosaurs running everywhere, isn't it? And they're done, so yeah. Right, so all these guys, and then we have these 2 over here, all besties, right? Yeah, you're besties. Don't you try and break out as well. Why are you panicking? Oh, because that's not yeah. This is small. I can't see them. Oh my god, that's so small. Oh, it's overcrowded. Oh no. That's exactly what we want. There's so many that I think I'm just, you know. There many guys in there now. Not guys, go with me. Yeah, just do the show. Let's try and make it a small space for them. Guys, if you don't mind getting over there, that'd be lovely, you know. Come on. Look at them all. Oh my god. There's 2 alphas. It's not like the Spinos where there was like 100 alphas. So there's 4, 5, 6. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, wait, there's 4 alphas. No, there's 5. No, there's 4 alphas. Alright. Is there any over here? Is there any left in this? No. Is there any left in this? No. And is there any around here? No, because I'm looking for the original. Good. Alright, so I do this. Boom. I cut off half the heart so they can't do that. Is there any in this? No. Is there any in this? No. Is there any in my way? Oh, I think someone's trying to break out the fence. Over there, you know. Yeah, there's one there, but if I just like scooch around this little fella. Ryan. Why are you trying to just that's supposed yeah, just do it. We got some fights going on, so if you don't know. How would you talk to the dinosaurs? Oh yeah. I forgot. I can do this now. Right there. 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 Are you worry. I know you want to get out, but I won't let you because I'm evil. Let's just do this. Why is that stuck? Why is that stuck? Oh my god, yes. Yes. There we go. I'll do this as well. So, don't worry, even 1 second now. Don't worry. Okay, get in now. Oh, look, the fight. Oh no, I don't know. Where are they? There. Is that the first one down? Or no? Let's see. 48. 47. 47. And there you go. There's a fight there as well. Okay. Right. So the fight to start. Oh my god, no. The fights are starting. Oh, I say to that, don't even try. Don't even try to expect. You think you can't expect. Can I do this now? Okay. Don't say I've locked one in there. No, okay, no. Well, there we go. This is Red Mania now. And, hello? Yeah, I know you're repairing a fence, but you need to be repairing other fences. Oh my god. See, the fence broken. You do that as well. I'm not. Yeah, thank you. I'm not. I don't care if someone else is doing it. Just do it for me. Look at them all. You can barely see them. They're so cute though. Oh my god, they're so small. Yeah, okay. Just small. I'm just saying, too small. I guess. Where is the? Can you do me a favor and get out so they can repair that? I don't want you being stuck in there now, do I? You know. Okay, that's a lot of redness. Redness galore. How are you two doing though? You're doing fine, okay. Oh, your health's both good. Alright. Yeah, whoever wins, I'm putting them in here. I don't care if they don't like it, it's here. I'm putting them in here. They will panic the entire time, but I don't care. Yeah. My god, get out the way, you little monsters. Why is it acting that creepy little... It's not... You little monster. No. Get me. What are you ruining? You're ruining my stuff. You evil little devil. Look. 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 You evil. Why? Do you just want to break all walls for no reason? That is just incredible. Oh my god. Okay then. I'll be back after when like things calm down and they're not all like this. Okay, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Yeah, bye. Right guys, I'm back and we have technically three dinosaurs left. I've got these three out because they're almost dead anyway. This one for 4, 18 and 29, and then this one as well, 36. So they're obviously gonna die because they literally are. Like this one, so close. This one quite close. This one close. That one, yeah, whatever. So because these three are the real competitors. You've got 100, 71, and 95. But they work in groups like I did say, so if I click on these guys here, social's fine, so they won't be killing anyone else. As you can see, they've done that. But yeah, so I'm just gonna sell the ones that are dying because we don't want those guys. Oh, that one's already dead. No, there we go. Sell, yes. Sell, yes. Sell, yes. I was gone for quite a long time, but that's because I was making my dinner as well because I'm alone. Yeah, if we do that. And so those are the winners, so I'm gonna trank those guys and put them in here. They'll probably be panicking half the time, but that's fine. These guys are still fine over here. They do start to fight now and again, but they're just arguing and then nothing's really gonna happen. Because I find like that. And now I can finally, like, get rid of all this. Like, I had to make so many gates. So many. And so many walls and everything. It was so annoying. Like, it was stressful, I've got to say stressful. And they keep on breaking out of everything and were, like, roaming over here and I didn't even realise. Because it says fence broken, but yeah, of course, they're breaking everything, so I didn't know. And then they just, like, start, like, causing havoc, but I don't have, what's it called, guests, because I've shut down my car. It's closed, because, as you can see, we don't want people dying all the time now. But, yeah, this might take a while. I'll leave gates because gates are double click, what really annoys me. But yeah, like, as you can see, I have to like double everything as well. It's dead annoying with some of these. But after I do this, I'm definitely going to just build up my actual park with the other, whatever it's called. The other islands and try and actually get that up because some of the ratings are okay, but the one that's the best one is the first one that you get, and well, that one's only at like 4 stars because when I went back there, a couple of them had diseases and they were like dying and stuff, but I didn't do anything because I really couldn't be bothered, and I was in the middle of doing something else anyway, but yeah, so they have food in there as well, so that'll be fine for them. But yeah, I'm just going to do that, and then you keep post in the comments what you want me to do next. These guys look fine. Are they going to fight? No. But yeah, these are the animals. These are the dinosaurs. I could have a couple of these against, like, I don't know, one Indominus Rex or something, or like all of these together, half of these against half of these, all these together, like Indominus Rex against different types. I could put in like 2, like this and that and that and that, or if you want to see like some Spinosaurus against the Indominus Rex, or Velociraptors against each other, or T-Rex against, I don't know, some Spinos or anything else. But yeah, it's all up to you. I don't mind all the options. I am, as soon as I finish this, As soon as I finish this, I'm gonna try and get these because I know I can get this one because I'm dead close to getting it. That might take a stretch on that one. This one be quite easy. That one will be a bit hard. But yeah, I'm like dead close to getting some of these. So I'm gonna work hard and hopefully by the next video I'll have a Beatrox, and I can't remember. But yeah, guys, that's all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!